Welcome to the language world. Today we're learning daily routines. Then, let's get started. To have lunch.
Spise frokost.
To rest.
Hvile.
To exercise.
Motionere.
To cook.
Lave mad.
To have dinner.
Spise aftensmad.
To watch TV.
Se fjernsyn.
To read a book.
Læse en bog.
To go shopping.
Gå på indkøb.
To go home.
Gå hjem.
To go to bed.
Gå i seng.
Quiz time.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.